How do you become more creative? If you're an online business owner and you sell something online, sometimes as a content creator, because that is what we're doing, we are creating content to promote your business. And sometimes, chances are, you're sitting at your computer or you're looking at your phone and you feel like you're not creative. You can't be more creative, that you might be in lack, or that there's a limit to what's capable, right? You're looking at your computer and you're like, I'm not as creative as that other person that you see online, or I don't have the skills, or I don't have enough, whatever it is, to be able to create something creative. Now, I'd like to challenge you and say that those limits is actually what you need to help you to become more creative. Because the goal is not to be perfect, but to do the best you can with what you have in the time that you have it. So thus birthed the challenge. How many different creative looks and styles can I make and produce with just one text, one photo, and one set of branding colors in 10 minutes? All of this to promote the next video that I've created. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna start my own personal timer. Here he goes. All right, that looks good. I do want to change that to, let's do that. Ew, no, I do not like that. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go black here for a second. So what I'm gonna do here is see if I can find, wait, don't I have photos of myself? Here you go. All right, time to add some photos of myself here. Yeah, I guess I could use that photo. Let's just use this photo, why not? I like that on top. So maybe we can just go like that. And go like that. Actually, no, I'm gonna bring that down. I don't want it all the way. Okay, that I like. This we're gonna put up here. Okay, I like this. Then we're gonna duplicate this and bring this down. Okay. This, I'm liking the direction of this, okay? So we're gonna duplicate, bring this down. Let's see how many times I can do this. Let's do one more. Okay, this is gonna be legit. Okay, this is perfect. I wanna get rid of that, so I'll make that just a little bit bigger, I guess. Yeah, this is it. How legit is that? New video. That's what's up. Okay, we're downloading that one. We're gonna do a JPEG. Start download. Okay, new idea. Let's go. So we have this. Let's crop and shape. Ooh, let's do a square. Okay, and we're gonna pop that there. I like that. We can get rid of all these text. We only need one. So let's go ahead and, yeah, let's put it up there. Yeah, let's go like that. I want the background color to be green. Yeah, let's do that. This one, let's layer on top. And we're gonna we're gonna say new. And let's see, what can we do here? Let's go like this. There you go. Boom. Let's make this that. Okay. I think what I'm gonna have to do is change this to this color. Background to this color. Yup. New. And let's duplicate this. We're gonna bring this back to normalcy. And we're gonna write video. Let's bring that down like that. New video. Okay, so new definitely doesn't need to be huge. Let's do this. Bop. let's do 3 of them. Okay, I like where we're headed here. Let's go 60. So that's obviously way too small. But I like this. Okay, boom. New video. I feel like this text needs to be something way different, like no, absolutely not. But you know what? It's probably because it's all caps. Ooh, this is interesting. This is interesting. I kind of like that. I mean, you tell me. Yeah, I kind of like that, you know? New video. You know, maybe it can just be a little bit more centered. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let's download, all right? Okay, so let's do something else here. Let's see, let's look at some of these different shapes we could do. Let's do circle, because I'm down for the circle. Okay, so let's change this text. I wonder if we can do, okay, here we go. All right, just follow me here for a second. New video. Okay, all right, space. Control copy, paste, paste, paste. Why am I doing this? 1 second here, let's figure this out. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on, hold on. Okay, what font did I use before? This one. Oh snap! Wow. Okay, we're gonna keep this like regular. Okay. Yeah, let's see. We don't need it. Do we need a bold? What happens if it's just super skinny? What if we did that? What if we did book? I don't know actually. Do I like? All right, let's just say let's just play with it. I mean, it might be too thin, but yeah. Okay. So now this photo, we definitely need to make that, dude. Okay, here we go. Oh snap. Okay, see, this is what happens. You get in the groove, and things just start to feel. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's just go ahead and bring that in just a tad. That looks legit right now. What? Okay, hold on. Let's duplicate this, and let's just. What happens if we go bold up in this joint, extra bold? Okay, let's change the color to this pinkage. Let's bring this down, and I don't know. Here, look. I'm snap. Okay, hold on. Let me just put this in the middle. Wait, is that in the middle? Oh, wrong one. Pink. There. Wait. Oh man. 10 minutes. Okay. Well, let me just fine tune this little thing. Actually, we're just going. No. Yeah. Let's fine tune this one. Okay. We can't leave this alone. We gotta put it like that. That's the middle. I kind of like that look. It's not perfect, but was working within the 10-minute zone. We used one text, one photo, and one set of brand colors, and we created 3 different looks. Let's take a look at all 3 different looks. So we got 3 different looks right here. We got 1, 2, and 3. We used one text, one photo, and one set of brand colors. And we can use all 3. I can imagine myself using all 3 different looks. I mean, which one is your favorite? I'm kind of already leaning on the first one that I created. It just stands out the most. It's the biggest. It jumps out in front of you in your face. That's why I like this one the most. But you let me know which one of these 3 is your favorite. Go ahead, check out Adobe Spark and see how you can create graphics to promote your business as well. Remember, if you're feeling limited or in lack or that you don't have enough, that is okay. Use that to your advantage because it's within the boundaries or the limits where sometimes the biggest creativity sparks, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this little challenge and the challenge that I put for myself to create new content to promote my videos, all right? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Deuces.